Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Amazon Prime Video not working on your settings. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. Just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here. And you go down here, then you click here on apps and it's going to take you to apps window here. And you just go down here to looking for Prime Video app or Amazon Prime Video app. Just keep going down here, then you click here on Prime Video, then it's going to take you to next window here. Just click here on Force Stop and you click here on OK, then you go down, you click here on Storage and you come to Storage window. Just click here on Clear Cache and you click here on Clear Data, and all you have to do just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.